I just wanted to personally come in and say thank you. Thank you so much for joining the Conscious Living 8-Day Journey. Thank you for sharing your precious time with me, and thank you for joining this community of dreamers, believers, and doers, and a movement for a brighter future. This journey is my gift to you. It is your journey. It'll be there for whenever you feel called to it or need it. I loved sharing the journey with you. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. And I loved hearing from you and how it was going throughout each day. Throughout my personal journey, I've learned that taking care of yourself isn't selfish. It's actually the most important and giving thing that you can do for others, because taking care of ourselves is the way that we can become the best version of ourselves. And when we're the best version of ourselves, we can take better care of the ones we love and everybody that we touch in our lives. And when our relationship with ourselves is nurtured, I feel like our relationships with others, with the outside world, it just becomes even more wonderful. And then we're able to thrive pursuing what we want in life, what's most important to us. I've learned that asking for help is not weakness. It's actually a courageous act. It takes strength, vulnerability, and it simply brings us closer together. When we share, we see the oneness in our humanity, and despite our differences, we are able to see how similar we all are. We all sometimes crave the same things, and we suffer from the same emotions and hardships. I've learned that we are here to experience it all, and to be open, to be curious, to learn, to grow, to expand, to share with each other, to lift each other up. I've learned that uncomfortable situations and hardships and tough times are also to be appreciated, because just like the good things, they are a gift. They are that little nudge that pushes us forward in the direction that we most want to go. They push us to grow, to appreciate, to take a moment, stop and reflect, and ultimately become the best version of ourselves. I've learned that to become the best version of ourselves, to accomplish great things, to live our greatest life, we need each other, right? We need loving support, we need community. And together, I believe we can help shape a brighter future for everyone that we love and beyond. So it is my mission to help you create healthy and happy, simple life habits that can make a big difference in your life and that will actually stick with you and last. To provide you with a safe and supportive space with guided and creative experiential ways to explore within, to give you the opportunity to tune in and nourish your well-being, mind, body, and spirit, so you can live your life with intention, with purpose, with more presence and ease. I want to make it simple and easy for you to carve time for self-care, so you can become the best version of yourself and positively impact all those around you. And I'd also love to teach you how to nurture intentions into action and just support you in achieving your dreams, goals, and aspirations. During the Conscious Living 8-Day Journey, you got a little taste of my unique process, and it really is a combination of yoga, meditation, mindfulness, self-reflection, but also neuroscience and psychology, and the power of simple habits that can make a big difference in your life. I take a holistic approach to self-care by focusing not only on strengthening your mind and your body, but also supporting the emotional and spiritual aspects of yourself. I believe that in getting to know yourself better and learning and applying these conscious living practices, right? They're these tools and practices to connect to your inner wisdom, your heart. You can receive what you need to function at your very best. And I don't offer a quick fix. I provide you with opportunities to grow, to expand, to become, and with easy and simple ways so that you can consistently show up for yourself and from there shine your bright light into the world. The yoga and conscious living practices that I teach help me personally navigate this wonderful but sometimes hard thing we call life. I constantly apply them to my day-to-day life, and they help me move forward with more love, more compassion, and more ease. And I'm very thankful that I've taken the time and that I've made it a habit to take the time for myself, for personal development, for inner growth, for learning and growing, and just choosing not to settle for less than what I want and what makes me happy. My unique process has helped improve the quality of my life, and I know in my heart it will help you too. I've done my homework, I've put in all the legwork, the research, practicing, and creating resources that will help you step into your fullest potential. And all while saving you the time, the money, and the aggravation that comes with trying to do it all alone. I've been there, done that, and it's oh so overwhelming, lonely, and exhausting. And I want to save you that time so you can spend more time with the people you love and doing the things that you love. I think there's few people that are able to make the journey on their own, and I'm not one of them. If it wasn't for my support network and my strong why, I wouldn't be where I am today. I have a great support network of friends and families, but I also have a lot of teachers and experts in their fields, and I'm grateful for all of them. I appreciate their dedication, them taking the time to share with me their knowledge, their insight, and sharing it also with the world and to help me. And now I feel like I want to do the same for you. I'm here to serve you as best as I possibly can. And I may not always have the answers, but I am committed to share with you the best of what I have learned, what I am learning in the most real and sincere way. And I will continue to learn and grow myself so that I can serve you better. From me, you can expect research-driven, evidence-based, proven techniques, because after all, I'm a scientist at heart and I'm a marine biologist by trade. And you can also expect just like inspiring ideas, timeless wisdom, easy to implement practices that will help you create and enjoy your most abundant, meaningful, and fulfilling life. Through sharing my journey, I hope to connect with you and together build a supportive community. Like they say, it takes a village, and this can be your village. If you've come this far, thank you so much for being here. I would love to hear from you and continue to share and support each other in life's journey. So please share with me any insights, any aha moments that you experienced through our Conscious Living 8-day journey. And please also share with me your favorites, your least favorites. I want to hear it all. I am an open book. Be fully honest with me. And please also share any special requests that you may have for a yoga class, a meditation, or any topic that you'd like for us to discuss. I want to support you in as best as I can in your journey. And I want this community to be a two-way communication, right? I want you to feel like you're sitting down with a friend and where you're being heard and seen and appreciated. I intend to continue to share with you every Sunday morning or Saturday night because some of you are in Europe. And so that way you can begin to carve out like a little special sacred time for yourself on Sundays. And again, thank you so much for being here. Thank you for sharing this wonderful journey with me, for sharing your precious time with me. And thank you for choosing to be a part of this community and movement for a brighter future. And from my heart to yours, namaste.